Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to add highlight birthday on Google account. For these settings, you have to open Google on your device. After opening Google on your device, you can see here an option. Click here and here you can see manage your Google account icon. Click here and you can see here personal info. Click to personal info and scroll down. And here you can see birthday icon. Click to birthday. Then you can see here anyone option. Click to here and here you can see highlight birthday option. Turn it on. You can choose to have your birthday highlighted across Google service, for example by decorating your profile picture. Click to save. After clicking save, the birthday has been highlighted. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.